I will try to guess what is your work in 1 minute, basically. Whether what's your good name?
My name is Rupa.
Okay, Rupa. Okay. Is it a technical or non-technical?
Technical.
Is it like a desk job or non-desk job?
We can say it is a tennis job,
Okay.
but yeah, I'm doing work from home, so थोड़ा सा
It's like something like for the hospital, something is, can we say?
not really.
Real estate, something? No. Okay. 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 I don't know how questions to ask for non-technical. Um,
It's the most important requirement of a company.
it's HR. HR. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 So you're working here only, basically.
I have work from home right now.
Okay.
I am working at PwC. So I am not in basic HR. It's
Yeah.
more of HR operations.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it is not really, going and talking to people and hiring them. It
Okay.
is back end thing that we are doing right now.
How to go in the PwC as a HR? As a HR.
More of a referral kind of thing. I asked one of my friends to refer me,
Okay.
and then I got selected on my interview. That was it. It was not a big process for me, but I've recently realized one thing,
Yeah.
that for now referrals work more than going and applying to a company.
Okay. How much of years of experience you have, basically? Yeah. Yeah.
I worked at a real estate firm in Dubai before.
Okay.
Yeah, and it was a sales job. So I did not want to do sales. So I come here as an HR.
That's why I asked the person that thing. Like,
I've
okay.
done real estate before.
Yeah. Okay. I thought like you're saying like non-technical, then it's possible that thing only. Okay. So like, how much years of experience? Like,
1 year of experience in
Okay.
HR. I've
Okay.
been for 1 year in PwC.
okay, that's 2 years of experience, basically.
Yeah, we can say that. 1.5.
Okay. Do you like the job, basically?
I do. Why not? This has been the job which has given me the first opportunity to be in a company for more than a year. So
Okay.
I'm really happy working here. And it is work from home, so why not? I get to stay at my place. I get to travel.
Okay.
And it has been easier here.
Okay. Okay. And what do you see in the future? Like, what you will do? Like, are you? Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, I will be the CEO of a company.
Okay. Okay.
Why not?
Yeah.
I can do much better in life, I know that.
Okay.
So right now I'm more of rooting out for being an HR manager.
Okay.
And if it permits, I might even switch out to a different sector.
Okay.
Let's see how it goes actually. I'm still growing and getting to know new things. So yeah.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.